hajm va imkoniyat jihatdan Markaziy Osiyodagi 5 ta gigant korxonadan biri sifatida ish boshlaydi.
To be honest, we did not have any problem during the cooperation with TEEYER company because 24/7 they are available. During our project, we have witnessed so many times that they are quick responsible and they reply to our all questions and requests immediately. And from that time on, we were sure that we made the correct decision, and their punctuality really made our project like on time. This is our next vision for our next project, which is going to be in this year. Of course, from our first project, we have learned a lot of things. We have tried to implement these changes into our AEC industry in Uzbekistan market. Few innovative solutions from the TEEYER company would like to have implementation in our new project. And by considering it in detail and discussing with the TEEYER specialists, we are confident that this kind of innovative solutions for the new project will help us the good solutions for the market.